Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to write a discussion text. After that, you will work in a group of 4. Then, categorize and organize your ideas based on the generic structure of discussion text about the hidden gem of East Nusa Tenggara, Nihiwatu. Before that, please like this video and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you. A discussion text is a piece of writing that presents both sides of an issue or argument. It's a great way to explore different perspectives and help readers understand the pros and cons of a topic. Here's how you can write a compelling discussion text in a few simple steps. Step 1. Statement of issue. Tells the reader the problem and what will be argued about it. Gives information about the issue and how it is to be framed. Step 2. Presenting the arguments. You'll need to write separate paragraphs for each side of the argument. Start with the pros, or the arguments in favor of your topic. The pros or arguments for present the benefits and reasons. Next, you'll write about the cons, or the arguments against your topic. The cons or arguments against present the drawbacks and concerns. Step 3. The conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize the main points and restate the importance of the topic. You should also provide your own opinion or recommendation, if appropriate. These are the language features of discussion text. First, we use simple present tense. For example, beef produces the most greenhouse gas emissions, which include methane. Then, using thinking verbs. For example, think, believe, realize, decide, hope, forget, conclude. Next, using modality. For example, must, should, could, may. Using contrastive conjunction. For example, but, on the other hand, however, on other side, although. Then, using passive voice. Is produced, is said, is assumed, is used. Now students, let's do this writing activity. Work in a group of 4. Let's categorize and organize your ideas based on the generic structure of discussion text. Write the outline here. You can pause the video and write the task on your notebook. Now, read the text about the hidden gem of East Nusa Tenggara, Nihiwatu.
Nusa Tenggara Timor is located in the eastern part of the Lesser Sunda Islands, including West Timor. If you love traveling, you will find that Nusa Tenggara Timor is a fascinating place to visit as it has several interesting places to visit, such as Komodo Island, Labuan Bajo, and Kelimutu Lake. Recently, travelers put their attention on Nihiwatu as a travel destination as one of the hotels was acclaimed as the best hotel in the world's best awards by the prestigious magazine, Travel Leisure in 2016. However, before you pack your bag and travel there, let's have a look at the two sides of the coin of traveling to Nihiwatu Beach prior to your trip. Nihiwatu is remotely located. It is far from the hustle and bustle of the city. Hence, you can enjoy the fresh air and serene atmosphere as you arrive in Nihiwatu. The place offers a fascinating beach view that ranks number 17 among 100 most beautiful beaches in the world. Tourists can experience several activities such as snorkeling, diving, fishing, boat riding, and so on during their visit in Nihiwatu. Tourists can also immerse themselves with the local family, visit the village's traditional market, or help farmers pick crops, hike in the jungle, and ride bicycles in the countryside. Nihiwatu is prominent among surfers. The 2 to 3 meters high waves lure professional surfers to challenge their skills. In fact, Nihiwatu is also known as Oxai's Left or God's Left, a place that has attractive waves for surfing. Nevertheless, the beauty of Nihiwatu is worth a king's ransom, at least to the extent of transportation and accommodation. You can visit Nihiwatu by air or by land. If road trip is your choice, you may start your journey from Gilimanuk Harbor, Bali, to Waikato Harbor in southwest Sumba. The trip itself is time-consuming as you need to transit in several harbors prior to arriving in Waikato Harbor. Based on the transportation illustration, it is clear that traveling to Nihiwatu is costly whether you use air travel or road trip. Nihiwatu may also not be affordable in terms of accommodation. Several accommodations such as Nihisumba, Lelewatu Resort, Alamaya Hotel, and Rua Beach Resort are considered to be pricey with 5 million rupiah per night, and some require guests to stay for 5 days minimum. Unfortunately, some of the most stunning beaches in Nihiwatu are private, and thus they can only be accessed by the guests staying at the hotel or resort. Nihiwatu can be a paradise for travelers because it offers the atmosphere as well as various leisure activities. Further, surfers will find the place fascinating as they practice their skills whether they are beginner or professional. However, Nihiwatu may not be affordable for several visitors since the way to get there, and also the accommodation can be very costly.
Now, work in a group of 4. Let's categorize and organize your ideas based on the generic structure of discussion text. Write the outline here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel.